Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math Today. Today we're going to do another matchup. This time we're going to match the digit to the base 10 blocks. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click the microphone button to record it. They have done the first one for you. So this first number is the number 15. So I'm going to come find the base 10 group that has 15. Remember how yesterday I said if they give you a stack or a stick, that means there's 10. So I don't have to count every cube. I can just say 10 and then count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That matches, so I'm going to draw a line. Today, I bet it would be easier if you just came and counted and then found the number. So this one is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here's 17. Let me give you a little hint. The 1, 10 means that there's going to be a 1 in the tens place. And then here, there are 7 cubes. So that means there's going to be a 7 in the ones place. That's going to help you figure out some of these tricky numbers if I look at how many tens there are and then how many ones. And I'm going to match it to the number. When you're all done, click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.